Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be reviewing the KKW Ultra Beams. I've been waiting a while for these. I had to wait till they went on sale, and the bundle was already sold out, so I just bought the 5 individuals just so I can review them for you guys. So I have them all here. Hopefully I can try out all of them and show you guys what tea is. Okay, so I already have like my basic done. Like I just have some eyeliner on. I definitely want to try putting some on my eyes, and of course we're going to do like all the highlight zones, and then we're going to do them naked on my lips, and then maybe try pairing them with like a liquid lippy. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to go through each of the loose Ultra Beams, and I'm just going to swatch them on my arm for you. So as you can see, I don't want to tilt it too much, but you can see like they're loose on the inside, and I feel like there's a lot in here. One bundle, just one of the loose and one of the lips, is $32. Okay, so here is the gold. Sorry, I don't have a light coming from the other end for you guys to see it. So here is the yellow gold, if you guys can kind of see it. Right there. Very pretty, very blingy. Here's the rose gold. You guys can kind of see it in the light there. It's a little sheen. It's really pretty. It is a rose gold. I would have liked it to be a little bit more pigmented, but because that could have been really pretty like on the skin. But again, I'm sure if you put some like MAC Fix Plus with it, I'm sure it'd be great. So next we're going to be trying or looking at the yellow gold. This one is very pigmented. So this is the yellow gold. This would be really, really pretty on the eyes. And for anyone who's got a deeper complexion, on the cheeks, stunning. So next we're going to be looking at the bronze. And this one's like a duochrome. Like there's so many, I see like little blues in here too. This is also really pigmented. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. That is so pretty. Next, we're going to be doing the iridescent. This one's like the one I am the most excited about. Okay, so let's just look at my finger. Just from dipping it in there twice. So right here, we have iridescent, and this is bronze. So that iridescent, you guys. And then the last one we have is copper. Holy guys, that was one straight. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now it is loose, so you're going to have to be careful with that because it will get everywhere. Alright, so I'm thinking about putting iridescent on my cheeks. We can go ahead and try that. So I'm just going to take some of it, and I'm just going to dip it into the cap. Taking my fluffy Morphe brush, and we're going to dip it right into it. Woo. Oh. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh. Even this out here. You guys, and no Fix Plus hit that. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I want more. Some on the nose. Oh. That's beautiful. So iridescent is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. We're going to take some of the rose gold with my same brush, and I'm going to highlight like my forehead. That is beautiful. Maybe mixing this and iridescent together would be really pretty. Can you guys see that? That little right there. Let's try mixing this and iridescent together. This rose gold has a very obvious yellow undertone, and it's beautiful like when it hits the light. So these two definitely I will be using for my face because they're more the lighter ones, the more ones that match my skin color. So now we're going to be taking some of the other colors, and I'm going to try and pop them on other places so I can give you guys a review. So I'm thinking about doing bronze my eyes and mixing some of both in there. So since it is a loose pigment, we are going to spray this with some Fix Plus spray just to make sure that it's locked down. Oh my god. You guys, that was one. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. If you are doing some sparkle for New Year's Eve, you need this so bad. This is gorgeous. Alright, so we're going to look a little crazy, but I'm actually going to take the yellow gold and I'm going to put it in my other eye. Gosh, the pigment that you pick up in here is unreal. Let's see. Wow. So I definitely can say that the bronze was much more pigmented. Both are, but the bronze, I did one little swipe and it covered almost my whole lid. The yellow gold, I have to go back in twice, which there is nothing wrong with that, hunty, because this is amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm running out of places to put this on. Props to Kim K. This is ridiculous. Alright, so now the last shade, Copper. We're going to take this, and I'm actually going to put this on top of the yellow gold. Over here. Wow, that's, oh my gosh, that ombre is beautiful. Okay, so the loose pigments are such a win for me. Like, I can't wait for the look that I can create on New Year's Eve. I'm gonna be going to work with like all 5 of these shades all over my face. A+, Kim. So next we're gonna be going on to the lippies. I feel these remind me a lot of the Jouer lip toppers. So you pull it apart. That is really nice how there isn't a lot. And it's very clean in there, which I'm really appreciating. Alright, so this is Copper. So let's go ahead and try and put this on the lips. Okay. So these definitely have a nice tint to them. It's not too much. I'm liking it. This is really nice. They're not too sticky. Like, they look really glossy and really sticky, but when you put them together, it's not like super sticky, which is really nice because I hate when my hair gets caught in it. That's a really nice color though. And I bet if we put some of the Copper on top of it, girl, we would be living. You guys, oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. These are crazy. Absolutely crazy. I have to say, so far, after just testing one of them, I'm definitely more fond of the loose pigments than the lippies. Next we have Rose Gold, and this one looks very, very sheen. So I'm wondering, even pulling it out, like it just looks clear. So, alright. So this one is very, it's like I'm just putting on a regular gloss. Yeah, like looking in the viewfinder, it just looks like I'm putting on a regular gloss, which not always terrible, but if you're paying $32 for the rose gold and the pigment is very light, like, you're kind of missing out there, you know? So next we have the yellow gold. I'm very curious about this one. Woo, girl. Oh, yeah. This one definitely has like a yellow tint to it. Again, it's not super noticeable, but I don't know if you guys can see. there is a really yellow tint to it. But again, like, from a distance, it could just look like a gloss, but you just have to get the light to hit on it a certain way before you really see anything. So next up we have the bronze, and this one, if you can see, is like a duochrome. Like, every kind of color is in here. Ooh. Okay, so far, this one's the most pigmented. My poor lips are screaming at me right now. Yeah, so this one, like, it's got, I feel like they mixed all of them together. Like, you definitely can see some rose gold in here. There's, like, an iridescent. There's, like, a copper. There's a yellow gold. I feel like every color they put into the bronze. This one is more noticeable. You guys can see it. I would wear this one. I would. This one is a go for me. If I need a clear gloss, I'm going to wear the other ones. And then our last one is the iridescent. Okay, so this one looks blue. Okay, so this one is like, I just feel like I don't see any white. Like, it just looks so shiny. It's like, it's so blue. Especially when you get closer. It just looks so blue. Now this one would be crazy with the pigment on top of it. So that's what we're going to try. Okay, so that's cute. Like, I like that. That is very cute. I definitely like it. I definitely like it more with the pigment put on top of it. I feel like all of them would be really, really good with the pigment on top of them. But I have to say my favorite one, like just on my plain lips, is definitely the bronze because it has like that duochrome in it. It's got all of them and it's much more pigment than the other one. A lot of them just look like plain glosses, which again isn't always bad, but if you're paying $32 for that, like, that's kind of a bust. But these, hunty, are worth it, okay? Worth it. Okay, so I just applied the Dolce K, and though it does not match my eyes, it's okay. We're just going to try putting some of the lippies on top of it to see if they really do anything. So I'm going to start by putting the bronze on top and see if it does anything. Okay, so this is not doing a thing. This looks like I just put a clear gloss right on top of here. So I just put on the Too Faced Nude Beach, and let's see if this one shows up on a wall. And we're going to be using the iridescent. Okay, so this one, like, I don't think the camera can see it, but there definitely is, like, that bluish, whitish tint that we had when we put this one separate. I can definitely see it. Again, it just looks like a clear gloss. Alright, you guys, so that's it. Again, overall, the loose pigments are all that did it for me. I'm, like, kind of upset at myself that I spent that much money on half the product that I didn't even like. I will be using it as like a lip topper, or even if I just want like a glossy lip that day, but I definitely don't think it's worth your money to be getting both for $32 when you're really only going to use the loose pigment. The loose pigments are amazing. Fix Plus makes them go even further than they are. They're great. They're worth your money. I think Kim should be separating the two and allowing people to buy either the loose pigment or the really lip toppers, okay? So again, thank you so much for joining me. This is kind of like a last minute video. I literally just got home from taking my Nana out to get something to eat, and I came home and I saw them in the mail. I'm like, oh my gosh, I've got to do a video on them really quick. Like, I want to get this up as soon as I can. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay? See you guys later.